In today's edition of Let's Chat, we're going to talk about time management. Hi, I'm Lisa Marie. Welcome to my channel, Living My Best Life Over 50, Your Best Life, whatever age you are. I make videos on aging and being relevant so that you can live your best life at any age. If you're new here, I invite you to subscribe. And if you've been here before, welcome back. First, our word or phrase of the day is hench. Stay tuned to the end so you can find out what that means. Now, I'm not going to cover that whole subject because it's huge, but I'm just going to offer a couple of quick suggestions. A quick tip for having better time management is this. If you have things to do and you really just keep putting them off or you never get to them, first thing, definitely write them down either on a piece of paper or in your phone on a list so you don't forget what they are. I forget what I want to do all the time. I'm the Post-it note queen, and I have also got things on my phone to remind me. And I set reminders, which is the next step. If you do have a list, create reminders for yourself, even if it's putting the Post-it note in different places to help you remember. If you use your phone, then you can actually set up reminders that pop up on your phone. But here's what I'm going to suggest. If there are things that you really want to get done and you just never do it, like cleaning or going through things so you can get rid of things, decluttering, that kind of thing, or if you are wanting to sort things or go through pictures, that kind of thing, and you just aren't getting to it, set aside whatever amount of time a day that you can spare. If it's 15 minutes, a half an hour, whatever it is, and set a timer on your phone. Dedicate that time to doing that one thing. Even if it's 15 minutes a day, at least at the end of the day, you know you got that done. And you won't feel like, gosh, I never get to this. And then as you get used to doing it, you can up the time. Or on days when you have more time available, you can up it on those days. And you will be shocked to see how much stuff you get done. I love to declutter. I love to get rid of things. I am a minimalist as much as I can be. I'm working on it. I'd like to be more. But what I do is pretty much almost every day, I set aside a certain amount of time to just go through something. And if it's only one box or one little cubby, at least that one is done now. That's why this works, because at least every day there's less to do going forward. I highly recommend using a timer whenever you can. Back to the word of the day, hench. It means muscular and strong. So somebody that's really buff and has big muscles is hench. If you hear that word, now you know and you can be part of the conversation. I will see you in the next edition of Let's Chat. Bye.